Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today we'll be sewing the Bella shorts. The Bella shorts have an elastic waistband which makes them super comfy. They're also high-waisted and the best part, they have pockets. Let's dive into the steps. Start by pinning and stitching the center back and front seams with a 1 cm seam allowance. Serge or zigzag stitch both seams and press them flat with your iron. Attach the pocket pieces to the front and back panels of the shorts. Stitch them in place. Serge or zigzag stitch the raw edges and press. Repeat this process for both the front and back panels. Place the front and back panels right sides together, including the edges of the pockets. Pin and stitch the sides together, leaving the pocket openings unsewn. Pin the inseams right sides together and stitch them, leaving a 1 cm seam allowance. Serge or zigzag stitch the raw edge, and move on to the next step. Gather the pockets on the front panel of the shorts. Pin the pockets in place and top stitch over them to secure. Fold the long edge of the waistband in half, press it. Close the waistband on the side edge. Then pin it to the waistline of the shorts. Stitch together, leaving a small opening for inserting the elastic. Insert the elastic through the waistband using a safety pin or paper clip. Stitch the ends together and close the opening. Serge or zigzag stitch the raw edge of the waistband. To prevent the elastic from moving, sew 4 straight stitches vertically over the waistband. Pin the elastic in place evenly. Then sew a single line along each side of the waistband, center back, and center front. Finally, finish the shorts by hemming them. You can fold the hem up twice, about 3 cm each time, for a thicker hem. Press the hem with your iron for a clean finish. And there you have it, your Bella shorts are complete and ready to wear. Customize them with different fabrics and lengths to make them uniquely yours. Happy sewing!